Hello, lovelies. How are you doing today? Have you ever tried making a neckline and you don't know how to achieve it? So, on today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this beautiful neckline. So, come along, guys. Let's begin. I already have my basic bodice pattern, right? So, but you're not going to cut the neckline. So the basic pattern, bodice pattern you'll be using is that without a neckline. Now place it on the fabric of your choice and we'll begin. So if you're doing princess dart, you're going to cut it without the neckline so that you'll be able to achieve this. So I went in by 2 inches. After going in by 2 inches, I went up by 2 inches. Okay, so when you're done marking it, you're going to connect it. So upward, I also went in by 2 inches. Then you connect it to the 2 inches you have downward with your roller. After that, you're going to cut out the pattern. So you'll be cutting out with, you're also going to cut out that other part that we marked earlier. So go ahead, take your scissors and cut it out. After cutting it out, take out your pattern paper and open up the fabric. Okay, so you're cutting cut on fold. Now, when you're done opening up the fabric, this is what you have. So it's time to draw the nail line. So for the nail line, you're going to take your tape and mark from that tip where I place my ruler, my tape, sorry. You're going to come down by 5 inches. It depends on you. Then draw a straight line and connect it to it. So it's going to be like a straight line all the way to the top. So just draw and connect it to the tip. Okay, so connect it. Now, after connecting it, you're going to take your ruler and connect it to like a slant. Okay, so you're going to give it like you're going to give a slant cut on this part. So this is a structured asymmetric neckline. Okay, so that looks, it has a flap, the asymmetric neckline with a flap. So go ahead and cut it out. Then this is the first step. Now when you're done, you're going to open up that 5 inches that we marked earlier. So take your tape and mark, cut, sorry, take your scissors and cut it, not your tape. But don't forget to mark it when you're done. Okay, so this is it, and when you're done, this is how it's going to be. But remember, when you're stitching, you have to use your lining to line it up before you're done, okay, so that you don't have any rough edges on it. So this is how the collar is going to be, the neckline. Can you see it? Isn't it pretty? It came out pretty well. Now if you want to add zipper, you have to cut the fabric into two. So for those who want to add zipper, I advise you use pattern paper for this. Then you cut it on the fabric, adding your sewing allowance. So this is the end of today's tutorial. um I hope you find it useful. And also please drop a comment on the comment section below the part you find useful, and if you have any question. Have a lovely day. Bye. See you in our next tutorial.